Pump up a 260 balloon all the way. Put the ends together and make 2 one-finger bubbles. Take the nozzle and pull it back towards the other side of the bubble and twist it into the twist. This will give it a more polished look. Fold in the part of the balloon that's on the opposite side of the bubbles. Then squeeze that section together with both hands and mold the other parts of the balloon to look more like a heart shape. Pump up a second 260 balloon all the way. Then pump up a third 260 balloon all the way. Twist the ends of the second and third balloon together, making 2 more one-finger bubbles. As before, pull the nozzle of the bubble towards the other side of the bubble and twist it into the twist. Do this with both bubbles. Braid the balloons together all the way to the end. Twist the ends together, making 2 more one-finger bubbles. If necessary, pull the braid on both sides to straighten it out. Wrap the bubbles from the heart balloon around the bubbles at the end of the staff. If you'd like to make this heart staff, you will need a balloon pump and 3 260 balloons. If you'd like to get these items on Amazon, I will put links in the description below.